So in this video guys, ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba tumawag sa GCash hotline via call. Di ba? Kasi alam naman natin guys, pag meron tayong concern tapos via chat, parang ang tagal nilang sumagot. Pero sa call kasi, actual talaga. So punta lang tayo dito sa dial pad natin, tapos pindutin lang natin or type natin yung 2882. Dial nyo lang gamit tong Globe at saka TM.
Protection. Never click on links in SMS. Scammers are using illegal cell sites to hijack messages. Remember, official GCash will never send links. Stay alert. Hi, thank you for calling GCash. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. If you are the owner of the account, press 1.
Okay, press 1 tayo guys, no?
GCash app will be taking a break on December 18th, 2025 from 2:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. to make way for system maintenance. Please plan your transactions ahead to avoid any inconvenience. To assist you better, please have your GCash number and transaction or ticket reference ready. To follow up on an existing ticket, please go to the GCash app, tap Help, then go to Tickets. For login concerns, press 1. For reporting lost or stolen phone or SIM, press 2. For transaction concerns, press 3. For reporting fraud, unrecognized transactions, or compromised access, press 4. For questions about your GCash card, press 5. For other inquiries, you may visit the help center at help.gcash.com.
So press 4 natin guys, no, para makausap natin sila
For
agad.
scam-related concerns, press 1. For account takeover, press 2. For unauthorized transaction, press 3. For follow-up on ticket status, press 4.
For other concern, 5.
Press 5. In order to help you, we may ask for some personal information. If you agree to the collection and usage of your data according to GCash's data privacy policy, press 1. Otherwise,
So press 1 tayo guys.
Sorry, our hotline hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. For support outside these hours, you can visit help.gcash.com or tap Help in the app.
So as you can see guys, yung hotline daw nila or yung agent is available lang from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. So ngayon kasi ay 9 p.m. na po, kaya hindi na po available yung mga agent nila. Pero as you can see guys, kanina pinili natin yung number 4, which is yung scammers or fraud, kasi mas madali silang makausap pag ganun. Okay? So kaya pinili natin yon, kasi kapag kunwari yung concern kunwari natin is about sa login issues or any other concern, so pag doon tayo sa scammers na mga agent, itatransfer naman tayo doon sa correct na department kapag hindi nila kayang i-address yung problems po natin. So I hope guys na nakatulong tong video na to, at please comment down below para masagot natin if ever na may mga katanungan ka.